fuck are you doing? No turn signal, nothing. Oh shit. That's how you cut up. You just gotta know. Oh, yeah, you get stuck by yourself. You don't got that eagle eye. What happened? That's why you gotta choose those cuts. Oh, chill out, Playboy. He not trying to let me on. Oh. See, I can't blame you for being in the bike lane. There is no bike lane. So, I'm gonna be in the street with it, my nigga. You heard about that fucking theater they put there or whatever? There's some theater that's like above Times Square or some shit. That's crazy. That's not safe at all. For real? I mean, it doesn't sound safe to me. There's a million people walking under it. What the fuck is this square doing? Come on, Playboy. Oh, look at Times Square. As beautiful as always. What? We got here mad fast. I will hop. Oh my God. Yeah, he's a dickhead. You see, we're assholes, but we know how to go with traffic at least. Cars gotta learn how to go with traffic. You've been in New York City for how long? Nah, you're crazy. Oh. Yo! Why? I escape death every time. I just escaped death, nigga. She literally hit my back tire. Bro, why did she slow down going across the street? Oh yeah, because you were about to go, that's why. I thought she was stopping because of you, and then she started going again. That's why I tried to go in front. Then I had to stop. Look, I'll run these niggas over, I do not care. Ooh, Times Square. Just beautiful as always.